Hi everyone, friends, this is Valor. Today I'm going to show you how to fix an error in Valorant. It's missing Zapox 1 underscore. To do this, we need to go to your browser and reinstall DirectX. Type DirectX here. Yes, there it is. There it is. So download the second DirectX installer. End user runtime web installer. Click download and open it. Here, click yes. The DirectX installer opens. Click yes, then next. You don't need this, click next. DirectX is installing. Meanwhile, we can open the Riot client. Now go to Start and the Riot client. Once DirectX is installed, click Finish, then go to your account, click Settings, select Valorant, and check the integrity of the files. That's about it. This was Valor. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, everyone.